Let me show you something interesting. This entire cinematic scene you're watching right now was generated with AI. No camera crew, no editing timeline, no complex software, just a few images and a prompt. Everything was created inside a platform called MovieFlow. Today I'm going to test it and see if it can actually turn simple ideas into cinematic videos in just a few minutes. First, this is the main dashboard of MovieFlow. At the center of the screen, there's a large creation box that says, "Describe the story you want to make." So the idea is simple. You start with a concept, a prompt, or a few images, and MovieFlow transforms them into a complete cinematic sequence. You can choose the language, enable enhancement, and even control the video length. Right now, the platform supports videos up to 10 minutes long, which is impressive for AI-generated cinematic content. But the real magic happens in one of MovieFlow's main features called Alchemix. So let's try creating something. Inside Alchemix, I can upload a few images to build a scene. For example, let's say I upload a character image, a location image, and maybe a mood reference. Once the images are uploaded, MovieFlow analyzes them and automatically builds a cinematic sequence from them. Instead of manually animating every shot, the system blends the images together and generates motion, transitions, and visual continuity. This is why they call it Alchemix. You basically turn raw creative material into a finished cinematic scene. Let's generate the video. And in a few moments, MovieFlow produces a complete AI video sequence. Lighting, motion, and composition are automatically combined into a coherent scene. What's interesting is that the system doesn't just animate images, it actually understands how to structure a scene visually. Now, once the video is generated, we can go even further. MovieFlow includes a storyboard editing system, so instead of being stuck with the first result, you can click Edit and adjust the structure of the video. You can control individual shots, rearrange scenes, and refine how the story flows. This is very similar to how filmmakers work with a storyboard before final production, except here, the AI already generated the scenes for you, so you're editing the cinematic structure instead of building it from scratch. Another interesting section in the platform is the Toolkit. Here you can access different AI models depending on what you want to generate. You might want to generate images, or create video sequences, or experiment with different visual styles. Instead of using several different tools across the internet, MovieFlow puts them all inside one workspace. That's why the platform describes itself as an AI movie creation studio. There's a section called AIDO World, where creators publish their videos and explore content made by other users. It works like a community where people experiment with AI storytelling, cinematic visuals, and creative concepts. So it's not just a generation tool, it's also a place where creators share ideas and inspiration. Another thing worth mentioning is the payment system. MovieFlow supports traditional payment methods, but it also allows crypto payments. That makes it easier for creators from different regions to access the platform. And if you plan to use the tool frequently, there are different subscription tiers depending on how much content you want to generate. Now, there's also something interesting for creators. MovieFlow has a referral program. So if you share the platform with your audience and someone signs up through your invitation link, you can earn credits inside the platform. And those credits can be used to generate more AI videos. So if you're experimenting with AI storytelling, it can actually help support your creative workflow. Overall, what I like about MovieFlow is that it tries to simplify something that usually takes multiple tools. Instead of juggling between image generators, video generators, and editing software, you can start with a simple idea, upload a few images, and turn them into a cinematic video sequence, all inside one platform. If you want to try MovieFlow yourself, you can find the link in the description. You can also check out the referral link there if you want to explore the platform and start generating your own AI videos. And if you're interested in AI filmmaking tools like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel because we test new creative AI platforms every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.